On an isolated mountaintop, they're doing what was once unthinkable. Taking water and transforming it into energy.
We generate more megawatt hours of green renewable energy from the geysers than any other place.
This facility north of San Francisco, owned by the Northern California Power Agency, an association of nonprofit utility companies, developed cost-effective green technologies way back in the 80s. They produce electricity 24/7 without the use of oil, coal, or uranium.
We have a capability of about 120 megawatts, which is enough to power about 120,000 homes.
This is earthquake country, remember? The geology around here is unstable, and that turns out to be a good thing. Beneath these mountains, for instance, magma, molten rock, usually found deep within the Earth's core, has bubbled up close to the surface. So close and so hot that if you put a loop of pipe in the ground and injected water into one end, a blast of steam will come out the other. Powerful enough to drive this massive electrical turbine.
The geysers project is the largest geothermal project in the world. This geothermal power represents about 5% of the total consumption of electricity in California.
Right now we're sitting in the nerve center of Plant 1 at NCPA. We have 2 power plants. This is one of them. This plant in particular has 2 steam turbines.
At this renewable energy plant, little is wasted. Even the water injected into the earth generates electricity as it rushes past turbines placed into the down wells. And after the steam comes roaring out of the up wells and has spun these monster turbines, it condensates in these cooling towers and the water reused. A portion, though, is lost to evaporation, so more water needs to be added to the system. This is California, however, where water is a precious and costly commodity. So the engineers at the Northern California Power Agency have taken green energy to another level.
We presently are pumping roughly 9 million gallons a day of secondarily treated effluent.
That means sewage water, treated sewage water, mind you, from Lake County, providing that cash-strapped community a free and environmentally sound way of disposing of their effluents. But the wastewater is accumulated down in a valley, miles away. Pumping it so far and so high takes energy.
We pump it through 7 pumps here at the southeast geysers, past a B Street booster pump. From there, gravity feeds past Middletown treatment plant to Bear Canyon 1, and we pump it through 3 pump stations up here to the geysers to put it into our reinjection wells to recharge our steam field.
To power all these pumps, geothermal engineers have turned to a different source of energy, the sun, and a field of photovoltaic panels.
So what you have here are 2 renewable energy sources working in tandem to keep the most efficient, cost-effective mechanism for delivering renewable energy to our customers.
Using little more than the sun above and the earth below to power our homes far into the future.